Hi, this is Rona with the Kenna Real Estate Group at Keller Williams in DTC, Denver, and I am here at this home in Highlands Ranch, Colorado. We are going to do a dryer vent cleaning with our favorite vendor partner, HomeSmiles Denver. So let's go see how it's done. I'm here with Taryn, who is the owner and co-founder of HomeSmiles Denver. Taryn, why are we here doing dryer vents?
Thank you, Rona. Thanks, Rona, for having me come to this property. But again, we're here to do a dryer vent. It's very important to do dryer vents for two reasons. One is that there's a potential of fire. The lint is very can light on fire very easily. So if there's a spark that comes through, will decrease the efficiency or the drying capacity of the dryer. We have there's about 20. We do dryer vent cleaning, we do pressure washing, we do window cleaning, we do gutter cleaning. Those are kind of our core services, and then we have additional ones.
Okay, awesome. So you guys heard it. So if you need your dryer vents cleaned, call Taryn at HomeSmiles Denver. So as a real estate agent, I love helping my buyers and sellers move into a home that they feel comfortable. Thank you so much for coming here, and thank you so much for helping out our clients.